It is my way. I want a good future. Take my hand. Are you married? Am I not your child? Why do you leave me? Why not guide me? You leave my hands to grow. Take my hand. I have good clothes, yes. I eat good food, yes. I get good shoes, yes. I give OTP, yes. Is this just enough? You answer that, my parents. Take my hand. I need your help, my parents. In future, we both help. Don't leave me to get spoiled. This is time to shape my future. Then I'll be a useful person.